guys, I think I made a big mistake heading down to the river. Keep forgetting today is Sunday every week. I don't know why, because I don't know, maybe Sundays just aren't that important to me. I have no idea, but literally I always forget when it's Sunday, and then I'll come out and I'll think, okay, I'll go for a walk or something like I am now, and then I'll think, okay, let's go down by the river, it'll be nice for the vlog or whatever. And then there's going to be loads of people down here. It's not the nicest day, to be honest. It's a little bit overcast. It is meant to rain today, but I think it's not meant to start raining till after lunch, which is good. So I have some time. So what I'm doing is I'm trying to go walking more as well, because when I was in Basingstoke I used to walk a lot because there's country lanes, it's nice. Here it's not as nice, if that makes sense, and there's like 1,000 people and it's just also Sunday's church day, right? So probably a bunch of these people have just gone to church anyway. So I get sidetracked. So I'm trying to walk more. So I thought today what I would do, Miss is doing a half day, so she's going to finish like around 12. So I'm going to walk down to the big Sainsbury's so that I walk by the river, show you guys some, river views, and then grab a few things so that he can pick me up on his way past. Because he's going to be a bit hectic this week, and I don't want to put more pressure on him it's just picking me up. It's not complicated. He doesn't have to come shopping with me. But, today's a little bit more relaxed. He's doing a half day. It's a little bit easier. So, yeah, and he has to come up anyway because he needs to pick up his food that I made from him from the freezer. So, it just makes sense. So, that's what we're doing today. done. I'm just waiting for the mister to come pick me up because it's looking a little bit grey and I think the rains are coming. So when I get home, I'll show you what I got. I have a bit of a sneaky suspicion that maybe I bought too much stuff. But I'm hoping once I take his stuff out of the freezer, it should be okay. I hope. Fingers crossed. I tried to get more. Yeah, and some of this stuff, actually, to be fair, I'm going to cook anyway, so it's not like it needs to go into the fridge straight away. Yep. The rains are here. This means we're going to get wet going to the apartment. So, yeah. At least there's no, like, it's free parking today, so we could just sit in the car and wait. But the cold stuff gonna get warm, and the frozen stuff gonna get defrosted. It's a bit wet. Here, let me show you what I got. Cheesy bread rolls, cauliflower cheese, chicken and bacon pie that was reduced, Mediterranean vegetables, of course, and cheesy burgers. I wanted to try these enchiladas, chimichurri steak, some marinated chicken for lunch, chicken thighs that I'm going to cook tomorrow, some new Actimel with goji berries and turmeric, soy milk, salted peanuts for the trail mix, Mediterranean vegetables for the freezer. This coleslaw we're going to have for lunch, some more butternut squash and sweet potato for the freezer. I might actually use it in cooking tomorrow, and the red onion I might use in cooking tomorrow. Then some fruit and fiber cereal to have in the cupboard, some What's-Its, which I demolished today, some vegetable oil, Lloyd Grossman pasta sauce, but I realize it's no added sugar, and then plum tomatoes and chopped tomatoes.
I have no idea what I'm doing. My sister, she's almost 20. She has no idea what she's doing. She doesn't know how to handle this. My parents, they don't know how to handle this. But if I quit, every hate page, every rude tweet, every person that's liked a TikTok that's saying something mean to me, like, they all win. They all get to see me run off the internet, and I'm not going to let that happen.
Hey, I'm in bed. I just wanted to throw in that bit from Charlie because I was watching their show today on Disney Plus, and I thought that was a really good point for anyone that is out there doing social media. Like, it's difficult to not read the comments. I know I don't get that many, but as soon as I get a comment, I'm like, oh, what is it? And if I got hate comments like her, 100 million followers, that's a lot. So I would be going through the same thing that they're going through. But the thing is that your success, unfortunately, comes from your haters and your supporters. So with Dixie and her music, for example, her haters add to her success because they listen to her song just to then post hate on it. But, it's all streams for her. And like for them on TikTok, it's all views. Even if they hate you, like your haters are still watching. So they're still adding to your success and they're still adding to your followers. So that's why I don't understand. If you don't like someone and they annoy you or whatever, or you want to be them and you can't just be supportive and nice about it, then just unfollow them. The power is all yours. The people are what create influencers and celebrities. And if you don't give them the attention and you don't follow them or like them or stream their music or, whatever, then they have less followers. And then they're just average people like me. But anyways, I'm going to bed, guys, because it's been a long day and I want to try and get a good night's sleep tonight. So I will speak to you guys again next time. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, and hit the notification bell so you get notified of more amazing vlogs like this. Bye, guys.